Welcome back to Rituals. Okay, so in today's video, I got a nice little pickup here from you know who. If you read the title, you already know what it is. But let's get right to the unboxing. Alright. So look at what we got here. This right here is the Nike Dunk in Vast Gray. Nike Dunk High Retro. These right here are in a size 9.5 US. Yeah, size 9.5 US. Right there on the box. That's all my box nerds. There you go. All the information on the back. Let's get into the box. Bam. Standard tissue paper here. Ooh, these are actually nice. Wasn't able to get these in my size, so looks like these will be going to StockX. So there will not be an on foot today. But these are actually nice in that gray color. Can you guys see that? Very nice shoe. Got your pull tab on the back. Got your Nike logo on the tongue. Very nice looking shoe. These are the dunks. This is the bottom right here. Just give you guys a quick look of the actual shoe. Just like in your traditional dunks. Pretty good material here. Very nice material. Nice leather. Good quality here. Like I said, these right here will be sold on StockX because I wasn't able to get my shoe size. So looks like right now the current rate, I'll let you guys see for yourself. Look like it's going for 176 on here as far as the bids. So let's see. Yep, that's what it like it's going for. So pretty decent profit there. The shoes only cost $116. So yeah, maybe like a $40-50 profit there. But yeah, that's the look of the shoe. Very clean looking shoe. If you wear a size 9.5, you can get this on StockX for not much over retail. So if you really like this shoe, it'll be available on StockX because I'm about to ship these bad boys out. And speaking of resale, how you guys feel about what's going on with Nike right now? About the VP and her son being a reseller. Guys, let me know in the comment section below. What are your thoughts? Do you think that was right? That they had her with her son selling Nike shoes, resale? I know you guys seen the pictures. What do you guys think? Me personally, I don't think it was a good look. But you guys let me know. With that being said, thank you guys for watching Rituals. Y'all have a great day. Appreciate you guys' support. Hit that subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're watching this on Facebook, hit that thumbs up button and follow the page. Greatly appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. Peace and love. And we out. Thank you for watching the episode of Rituals. This right here wraps up the video of the Nike Dunk Vast Gray. And yeah, they pretty dope. Once again, these are going up on StockX. So if you want them, go get them. Peace and love, and we out.